be doing a review on this Busby gun, and the dart just flew out. So yeah, it's so let's get into it. It says Busby. It says Busby Toys right here, and Made in China down here. Busby Toys again is right here. And at the end we'll say cons and the cons and the goods. So yeah. So it comes with these 3 darts. I think it comes with these 3 darts. It is terrible with these, the yellow Busby ones. If it does come with those yellow ones, it goes only like a couple of feet. So yeah. And first it has the orange to tell you it's a toy gun. So yeah, let's get on to the firing test. Okay, so yeah, here's the firing test. Now I keep dropping the dart. Yeah, let's do the firing test. So the firing test. Let's start. Let's do the firing test. Here we go. Okay. Let's do the firing test. What's a yellow dart? That went 1. That went 1, 2, 3 feet. Sometimes it goes 5. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it went 5 in that one. So yeah, let's try the green dart. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So it went 11. So it went 11 and 10 feet. So not the best ranges, but still pretty good. If you wanted a better pistol, just use the strong arm or the Maverick or something. So yeah, I'm gonna say the cons and the good things about it. Okay, so we'll start out with the, one sec. So yeah, this is my sister's gun, just so you know. So start out with the goods. So the good things about this are I like the color scheme. It's black. No, it's green with black over it, I think, or is it green with black? Green with black over it, or black with green over it. It must be green. So yeah, I like the size of it. It's pretty small. You can like fit in your vest if you have one, or in your pocket. And also the sticky darts. Yeah, so now let's get on to the cons. The cons is that you have to, so it's like, oh, I got out of it. Then you have to like put it back in there. It's not like the triad. You can't you gotta, which can get really annoying. So yeah, and also it does not come with a good iron sight. See right here, it comes with this small little thing right there to the one I'm pointing to right here. So yeah, and also a con about it is, another con about it is like, oh, another good thing about it is that you just put it back shoot. Hold it back, shoot. Hold it back, shoot. Oh, you have to. In that matter of time, you probably would lose. So yeah. Also, another con about it is the range. It stinks. It's 11 to 10. No, it's 5 to 11. Is not good at all. And look, it's not even. It can't even go that high. Here, I'll show you. So you see how most guns go 35 feet and go up? It didn't even hit it. See, it didn't even hit it. I mean, it's terrible ranges. It's got, but the green darts make it have better ranges, but it doesn't go like 35 or anything like that. So it's not like the best gun in the world. It's like not the best pistol. Where'd that dart go? I found it. I didn't shoot. Oh yeah, I shot the sticky dart onto the camera. Halfway. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and like. Peace out. Peace out. I say peace out. Press the button already.